Hi, in this video we are going to see the huge recruitment regarding the assistant professor on different universities, guys. Okay, so we can say it is a mega recruitment, and here the opportunities are there for the only post graduation as well as PG plus UGC net also. So both of you guys can go through this video, and here the out of different universities, one university is providing the assistant professor level 10 category. So you will get the entry pay as 57,700 rupees per month, and the remaining are following the UGC norms and the UGC pay scale. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunity. It will be very much helpful to them, and to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and watch this video until the end to get the all recruitment notifications from the multiple colleges or the universities, guys. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, the Unacademy is providing the complete course on paper 1, that is the teaching and research aptitude. Okay, so this course started on the 9th June onwards, guys. All the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. The link I kept in the description box of this video, and the details I kept at the end of this video. Now while coming to the present content of the video, out of the multiple universities or the colleges, the first one we will see the Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri National Sanskrit University. So by looking at this university name, don't think that here vacancies are there only for the Sanskrit. So for multiple subjects here the vacancies are there, and I will provide this link in the description box of this video, guys. Okay, so out of all these three, you have to check down recruitment advertisement for teaching and the non-teaching post. Okay, so first click on this one, and then you will be directed to this PDF, guys. So here you may check down. So here professor associate as well as assistant professor vacancies are there. So it is a central university, guys, and coming to the professor associate, and in the assistant professor category pay level 10, so education department 8 and Purohitya 1, and few more vacancies are there. So apart from this one, yoga, prakrit, and the Sankhya Yoga, Veda, and Vastu Shastra, as well as Vyakaram and Hindi. Okay, and assistant professor political science is also there. And coming to the non-teaching post, register, controller of examination. Okay, so here the candidate is required to submit the application fee as 2,000 rupees. So 1,000 rupees for the SC, ST, OBC, EWS candidates through online mode only. And the closing date of online application form is 12th July 2021. And after filling up of the online application form, the printout of the online application along with the supporting documents shall be reached by post on or before 17th July 2021. Okay, so here we will check down the qualifications also, guys. So it is the professor, and coming to the, so professor eligibility is given, that is a level 14, and it is associate professor, guys. So anyhow for professor as well as associate professor, definitely the PhD is mandatory, guys. And coming to the assistant professor, academic pay level 10. So whatever the departments mentioned here, so all these are on the contract basis, guys, and one more, I mean, deputation basis or else the contract basis. As per the caste category, the vacancies are mentioned here. And coming to the essential qualification, master's degree with 55% of marks. Apart from this one, the candidate must have the UGC NET qualification must be there. Okay, so the candidates who are having the PhD, those candidates are exempted from the UGC NET qualification. Fine. And here one more point you may check down that in case of non-availability of candidates as per the aforesaid eligibility criteria prescribed for the post of assistant professor for the Vastu Shastra, the candidate who possesses the following eligibility criteria may also be considered for this post. Okay, so for this one also, academic record with 55% or an equivalent of B in the 7-point scale, okay, at Acharya or else a master's degree as well as NET qualification. And assistant professor in education department, so as per the caste category the number of vacancies are given. So the method of recruitment is a direct recruitment, and so master's degree required for the post. Okay, and a few more eligibilities are given here as per the different subjects, guys. Okay, you please check out this one and a few more notes. And while coming to the yoga, 55% as well as the NET qualification is necessary. And while coming to the assistant professor in Hindi, same qualification, guys, 55% in master's degree. Apart from that one, UGC NET or SLET qualification must be there. Okay, And while coming to the non-teaching post, so register, it is a pay level 10 guys. So master's degree in any discipline and 15 years of experience is required. Okay, and age limit is 57. And coming to the control of examination, master's degree with at least 15 years of experience and age limit is 57. And general terms of conditions or of recruitment are given here. So you please check down all these things guys. Anyhow, I will provide this link in the description box of this video. Okay, so you please check down. And next one is Kazi Nazrul University guys. So from this university, there is a notice of recruitment of guest faculty for the Department of Business Administration. So applications are invited for the eligible candidates for engagement as guest faculty in the Department of Business Administration. And here the eligibility, they are asking only for MBA. Okay, UGSNet or the PhD is not mentioned here for this guest faculty. And you have to, the candidates who are eligible and the interested ones send their CV and testimonials through email within 7 days of the date of advertisement. And here the mail ID is also provided guys. Okay, you please check down here. And interview related with this one will be communicated later. Okay. So here within 7 days means you may check down. The date of publication of this notification is 12th June 2021. So 7 days means you can take 19th, okay, or else 18th. And coming to the next one is, it is Army Institute of Technology affiliated to University of Pune. So in this one, here the vacancy advertisement are there for the teaching as well as the non-teaching post. So click on this one and then you will be directed to this PDF here. So here the details are there. So the first one, assistant professor computer IT ENTC, and next assistant professor physics maths soft skills as well as for the civil department. And for the engineering department, that is computer IT ENTC, MTech in the relevant discipline is enough, but while coming to the science, that is physics and maths like that, the NET or SET qualification also must be there. And all the interested candidates, applicants with the relevant attachments should reach the office within 10 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. And apart from this one, the non-teaching posts are also there, that is library assistant, lab assistant. Okay, so while coming to the lab assistant, IT, mechanical, ENTC, computer or physics. For library assistant, bachelor in library science with 3 years of experience must be there. And coming to the lab assistant, diploma in relevant discipline from a recognized university. And for science faculty, BSc in the relevant discipline from a recognized university. And all posts are purely on contractual basis and the consolidated salary. Of course, the consolidated salary is not mentioned here. Okay. And applications with all relevant attachments should reach the office within 10 days from the date of publication. Fine. So these are the different recruitment notifications guys. One is from the Army Institute of Technology and second one is from the Kazi Nazrul University, and the next one is from Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri National Sanskrit University. Fine. So the candidates who are interested in this one, you may apply guys, and don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunity. It will be very much helpful to them, and to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGSNet exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys.
Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.